Now, before we start looking at the questions, please make sure you have familiarized yourself with the situations that come before this. So please read through the examples, look at the tables, the graphs, and the equations, and then I want you to go ahead and try some of these similarities and differences out first. And after you've had a chance to write some similarities and differences of your own, then you can come back and make sure you have some of the key similarities and differences that you want to have. So go ahead and pause this now if you need to go back and reread those situations. All right, now that you have gone through the situations and you've looked over the tables and the graphs and the equations, we're going to start by comparing situation number 1 and situation number 3. What similarities do you see and what differences do you notice? So some similarities that you might be able to see is that they are both increasing. So that means that they are increasing means they're going up from left to right. Both graphs do not have the points connected, and if the points are not connected, this indicates that this is a discrete function. And we'll get into the definition of discrete functions in the next task, but just keep that word in the back of your mind for now. One of the major differences you should have noticed in numbers 1 and 3 is that number 1 is an arithmetic sequence, right? It has got a common difference where we're adding a number each time. And number 2 is a geometric sequence where we are multiplying by a common ratio each time. So let's just go ahead and take a look at those similarities and differences in those examples above. So here's situation number 1. Notice that we are going up from left to right, so we said that it was increasing. Points are not connected in our graph. And notice that we do have that common difference of 3, so it is arithmetic. Then if we pop over to situation number 3, again, notice that our graph is going up from left to right. Notice it's not a straight line this time. Okay, it's starting to gradually curve up as we go from left to right. The points are also not connected. And then notice we are multiplying by 1.5 each time.